Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this tutorial I will show you how to vectorize hand-drawn doodles in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. If you haven't watched our previously published lessons, I strongly recommend you to watch them. The videos playlist link is available in the description box. So, this is my artwork which I have created on a white paper with a black pen. You can use black ink or a marker also. Once your artwork is ready, you can scan it. This is the picture I have scanned and placed it in Photoshop. As you can see, the paper is not proper white. The whole image has a bluish tone and the black lines are not properly black. You can edit this in Photoshop. Cleaning an image in Photoshop is really easy. So place your image in Photoshop. So first, I am going to remove all the areas that are outside our drawing. So I am going to use the crop tool. Press C to make the crop tool active. Just simply drag the handles to crop. When you want to save your drawing, just click on this check mark or you can also press enter. Now, I am going to edit the image as it is a bit blue. So, go to Image, Adjustment, Black and White. It turns the bluish image into a black and white image. Click OK. As you can see, there is not much difference. There is a bit difference which is not perfectly visible. Now again, go to Image, Adjustment, Levels. I am going to make the grey area white and the black lines perfectly black. So first, click on this eyedropper tool at the right side of the Levels panel and click on the white area on your artwork. Now you can see the image is brighter. Now again, click on this eyedropper tool of the Levels panel and click on one of the black lines. Now the image looks better. Here you can also play with the sliders to make the image look more better. You can slide the sliders until the lines are black and the paper is white. And when you are happy, click OK. Now again, go to Image, Adjustment, Brightness and Contrast. You can now adjust the brightness and contrast. If you increase the brightness, the white area will become more brighter. If you increase the contrast, the black lines will become darker. When you are done, just click OK. When your editing is done, you can save it as a JPEG. You can also copy the image and paste it into Illustrator. Select the marquee tool to copy the image. Select all the image you want to copy. Now go to Edit and click Copy. Now go to Illustrator and press Ctrl V. Now I am going to vectorize the image. Select the image and go to Window. Here select Image Trace. The Image Trace dialog box will appear. First, check the preview on. Now in the preset, select black and white logo. Illustrator has traced the image. Now, I am going to remove the white background of my image. Here in the advanced option, check the ignore white option. The white background will be removed. The image has now a transparent background. Now let's come to other options. First is threshold. If you increase the threshold, the image will turn black. If you decrease the threshold, you will lose many of the details. So you will have to increase it just enough to get the best results. If the threshold is high, the lines will be thicker. The next option is path. Path controls the number of paths your vector illustration has. The more paths you have, the closer your illustration will be to your initial drawings. If I decrease this, it will lose details. Now let's increase this and see what happens. So I am going to keep this at 70%. The next option is corners. Corners determines the number of corners your image has. I am going to keep this at 75%. If you decrease this, you can see what happens to the corners. So, corners at 75% will give you the best results. Now, the next option is noise. Noise indicates the lowest number of pixels per area. If you decrease the noise, you see the little change. Now, let's increase the noise and see what happens. Some of the lines are a bit thicker, so I will keep the noise at 80%. So, your artwork is vectorized now. So now, when you are happy with the results, just expand this. I am going to expand this. Go to Object and expand. Click OK. Now, I am going to ungroup this. Right click on the image and click on Ungroup. Now you can also use these illustrations individually. You can see every illustration is perfectly vectorized. And if you want to edit these illustrations, you can do that also. So this is how you can vectorize hand-drawn doodles in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.